Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games from a Google Play Store on your Tecno Spark Go 2022, but you can't seem to find them. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside, let's try to find some games like, for example, Call of Duty. As you can see, there's the icon for Call of Duty right here, but if we click on it, nothing happens. To fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, open a settings, enter family, select parental controls, and right here, either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games, insert your PIN code and increase PG to 16 or 18. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if we try to find the games again, there should be visible right here on the top, and if we click on it, we can install it instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.